So, Mike, what do you got for your Whissel widget of the week?
So my Whissel widget of the week is a service called Client Giant, and trying to stay on top of client house-anniversaries, anniversaries, all these different reasons to send clients,
Clients and past clients. Yep.
past clients. So Client Giant sends out a quarterly gift to everyone you sign up on it. And they're not attached to a holiday or an anniversary or anything. They're just seasonal quarterly gifts. And they're thoughtful. They come with a handwritten note from you.
Even though you don't have to handwrite it.
Oh my gosh. So it's legible. And I've got the best responses. I've actually gotten 3 listings from being a part of Client Giant for only a year now.
Yeah.
So it's already paid for itself for like 4 years in advance.
And the thing I love about Client Giant is they're topical gifts.
Yeah.
And it's not a cutting board with your logo on it.
Yes.
A knife with your logo on it. A welcome sign with your logo on it. Like, it's not about
it's
you
not
as
an
the
advertisement.
agent. It's about, hey, I was thinking about you.
Yes.
Like, I know one of the things they did at the start of COVID is they sent out like hand sanitizer and like sanitizing kits. And I'm like, dude, you can't get this shit anywhere.
No.
And they're
because they got it all.
They got it all
to our clients.
Exactly. But yeah, they had like hand sanitizer and like cleaning spray, and it's topical, it's thoughtful,
Yes.
and it's not expensive.
No. No, it's so not.
If you look at the lifetime value of a client and versus buying new leads and this and that and this and that,
Yep.
their pricing changes. I think it's around $100
It's
per
around
client.
$100 per year per client.
And
you figure if you do this instead of like cheesy mailers and buying cheesy, cutting boards with your name embossed on it or whatever, like this is less expensive and so much more impactful.
yeah, I'm a huge fan of Client Giant.
So
and it's
Client
automated.
Giant is
It's great.
the place to go.
Cool. Mine is fairly simple. Something I use literally probably every day. And it's something that I think a lot of us use, but I understand that a lot of people don't use it. My dad was a great example of this. He wouldn't use it, and I kept telling him, use this, use this, use this. Finally, he did it and goes, hey, did you hear about this thing? Yeah, Dad, I told you about it. He goes, it's amazing. And it's very simple. It's Google Docs. And why I love Google Docs so much, 1, it's free. 2, it updates in real time. So he was writing a book, but he would go out and travel and he would speak at different conventions. Well, he would have it on his home computer, but not his laptop, so he'd have to save it and then transfer it, and then he forgot it, and it's just a pain in the ass. But Google Docs, you can have it all online. It's all free. You can update it in real time. You can even work offline on it. So if you wanted to like save it as an offline copy, work on it on the airplane, when he gets back and connect to the internet, it updates.
Yeah.
It's great to collaborate with people. And it's just, I probably should have said it, if you're not familiar with Google Docs, it's Microsoft Word from Google.
Yeah.
You can still do formatting, everything. And one of the things that's really great about it is I'll write something up and then I'll send it to Tom and he'll comment and say, I don't like this word. He can either change it or comment on it, and it's a great collaboration tool.
Yep.
So it's something very simple, something that I would assume a lot of people are already using, but if you're not using it, I guarantee you're going to use it from here on out. Because it's simple and it's easy and it's always available.
Totally.
So I use Google Docs when I'm writing up copy for Facebook posts, so that way if I accidentally refresh the page, I don't lose all my stuff. When I'm writing emails, all that sort of stuff. And then you can spell check and all that in there too.
Yeah.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Mike, for being on. We will have you again for sure.
Awesome.
And again, thewhisselway.com. We will see you in one of our many formats. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.